All right, here's our first big group photo too. Look at that. All right.
But oh wait, someone's gonna have my boat. If you go up, yeah, but my friend's gonna kick.
All right, Leo's up. Be as stable as possible when you get up though. Take your time. Last push of it. Go forward. There you go. Look at that. Excellent. All right, so the goal is to turn clockwise. So there you go. All right, so now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 paddlers. Okay. We are effective. This is where you have to go old school canoe like, vertical and, yep.
No, stop that. We're flying. We're all touching each other now.
Keep going, son.
But oh wait, someone's gonna have my boat. If you go up, yeah, but my friend's gonna kick.
All right, Leo's up. Be as stable as possible when you get up though. Take your time. Well done. Got 5 paddlers, which tied it, but this model is a little more efficient, it looks like, as far as going straight, and no one's ripping Lynn apart. Yeah, that's a good thing, right? Don't destroy HR. No. Good photo right there. Look at that. Perfect. All right.